Hey, hello guys. So guys, today I'm going to show you again about the quiz, but how can you create the quiz on your editing software? Whatever quiz you want, it's depend on your channel, your topic, or whatever. So I am using Filmora. If you use CapCut or whatever, just use the simple steps, use the same steps for in your editing software. Because I am using Filmora, so I am explaining you on Filmora software. So guys, the first thing what you have to do, you have to search one of the um, questions pictures, yani suppose who want to be a millionaire, okay, or whatever screen you can search here on Google or on ChatGPT and save it. Okay, suppose I save one of it. I have this one. I will drag this in my layers. Okay, this is my screen. So I make it big so you can see how it will be look like. It will be look like this. Okay, so this is the first thing. The second thing, now I have to enter the question. How will I enter the question? I will go up in title, and again I am saying, in every editing software you will find this. Okay, I go to title, select which title you want. Okay, suppose I take this one. Okay, now I drag little bit here. Now, what is my question? Suppose I say, what is Python? Okay, I can minimize this so I will fit in this area. Okay, again I make it big. What is Python? Okay, now I have to write four answers. The viewers or the user will choose one of the answer. Okay, so again now I take this and I put here, I make a little bit here because okay. Now the first one, again I write suppose graphics. I make small. Okay, what is Python? You make it till end because this question we have to see this. Okay, graphics I make more small so we can fit here. Okay, you can use the arrow key. You can make it bigger if you want, like see. Okay, it's coming down, so you can change the color also if you want. So now I can choose the color. I will click on text, which style you want. You can choose the style, suppose this one. Okay, so you can see now it is in red. Okay, like this, but this is not highlighted. This one is okay. I think this is good. Okay, this is the first one. Okay, and what will I do? I will put the effects on it. Which effect I want? Suppose I search glow. Okay, or glow effect, and you bring on the whole text. Yani when I ask the question, it will be like this. Okay, so you can see now. Okay, so I make till here a little bit. When I ask the question, just till here. Okay, or before the question, yani it's depend on you where you want. You can see now, suppose I start this, what is Python, or before the text you can do it. It's working like this, and now the question will come, what is Python? See? Yeah, okay. Later on we will put the music also. So the first answer is graphics. So now you can copy this and you can paste here. The second one, this is, sorry, this is the first one, and where is the second one? So because I need all four options, so I will take this up and I will bring till here. The second one will appear here after the first one. Okay, now like this I will copy and paste here. You can paste, so but we have to keep this also here. Okay, here I can change now. This is what you can say, graphics, uh, programming, editing. Okay, so you can bring this editing here. You can fix this with the arrow, make it in the middle, because this, okay, again copy and paste and bring it here. Why I am doing this? Because the first answer will come, then the second, then the third, then the fourth. That's why I am putting some gap. If you don't want, you can put all the gap together. I change the text here, suppose gaming. Okay, I bring this here. So I fix this. I can check in the big screen. So you can see now all our options are here. Now we take the timer. You can search here. Again, I am saying in any of the um, software, editing software, you can use it. Okay, suppose I take this timer. Okay, and I put the timer after the the last answer, because the timer will start here, and after the first answer. Okay, and here now what will I do? I will copy this text again and I will paste here, and here I write the correct answer. Programming. Okay, I make it big. This one I take till here, so I can change the color for this. I go to text and I choose some good one. You can choose any what you like. I am just choosing. It's downloading. Okay, no, but it's not highlighted. So I try this one. No, but this is not also. How is it? Okay, I think I choose in red color, so it will be good. This programming. Okay, so now you can see now. Okay, the one more thing, now we have to take the music. I will go to audio and I will search the music. Congratulations, music suppose. Yes, this one is nice. So I'll make it like this so I can see all the layers. Okay, but this one I will do here. So now you can see, and here I can put any of the music. Yes, this music I can put here. So let's see from the beginning. Okay guys, in the video timer, I make one changes. Where is the timer? I took it in this one. So here you can take any of the counting, or you can search. Just I wait, I tell you now. I can delete the music from this area because the timer sound I want here, or you can decrease the volume. Okay, now I search the timer sound. Suppose I search like this, and yes, this one is good. So I would, or also you can check the other one. This one is also good. So I choose this one and I put here. Okay, it's better I remove this one here, so I don't want any sound here. But this sound should come in the end when the answer will appear. Yani, also I remove this from here because after the correct answer it will give the music like this. Okay, so you can see now I run from the beginning. So guys, you can record your voice also. I record my voice here and make this volume slow, the music. Okay, so now let's see the question and start from the beginning. The first question is, what is Python? And your option is graphics, programming, editing, or gaming. So guys, you can see now the time period, you can make it less, and now the countdown has been started, and now the answer should appear on the screen. So guys, you can see now the timings is very important. Yani if you want to uh, give more times to the user or to the viewers, so you can upload it. Yani you can arrange the timing, you can make timing less or more. So just I was giving you the idea, and I hope you guys understand all this. But if you have any problem, so you can ask me anytime. So guys, till the next video, take care. Bye.